What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. It is shop night here, and we are getting set to head to Flamboro Speedway this weekend for round number 3 of the Qwick United Racing Series Super Stock Series. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, what do you got to do when you go to another track? So tonight we're going to run through that. We're going to get the gear swapped. Going to put some fresh Castrol in this number 28 Super Stock all the way around it. Gear oil, engine oil, training fluid, everything. Do all our fluid changes. Obviously, we only put the best products possible in the race car, and we're going to put some Castrol in it. So thank you for coming along for the ride tonight. Thank you for clicking on this video, and let's get after it. Shop night here at the JRD Motorsports stable. Alright, so one of the first things we got to do to get ready for Flamboro Speedway is change the gear. We still run 4 to 9 inches in these Super Stocks. It's what everyone runs, obviously. I think that's the rule. I don't know. I think that's the rule. Whatever. So we run 4 to 9 inches. So we have all of our gears. I'll show you in a sec, though. We have all of our gears. Rather than changing the gear, we just change the whole pod or pumpkin or whatever you want to call it. So we will just pull that off. You pull the axles out, and then we'll pull that whole pod off, put a new pod on, put the axles back in, and all of a sudden we've changed gears and we're ready to go for Flamboro Speedway. So that's what Frank and I are going to get done under here right now. These things are not super hard to change, but since we don't have a hoist and we're like 6 inches off the ground here, we get kind of T-Rex armed and try and pull her up. And as you can hear, it's raining very aggressively. They better stop by Saturday. Last thing we want to do is have to race on Sunday, and then we only got 4-day turnaround to our next race in Delaware. So anyways, let's change the gear. We're just gonna bucket. No. Curtis just cleaned the bucket. We'll just let her pour on the ground.
And then clean the ground.
It's at this moment right here that I wish that there was, thank you, smell-o-vision, so that the poor people at home watching us on YouTube could smell gear oil if you've never smelled it before. Because it is just the worst. Especially once it gets burned a little bit.
What's that? What's right there?
Okay, take that right here.
On the bottom.
Ready?
Yep.
Just like that.
Yum.
We didn't even wreck the gasket.
We will take more legs though, if you don't mind.
Yeah. No, it's okay. We don't need them. I don't clean up till we're done, because, you know. Alright, we got the gear sitting there just draining the rest of the pod out. Curtis is just preparing the other gear to go in for Flamboro Speedway. Frank's under the car in front of me getting the Wick's racing filter ready to go on. New filter every time we put some fresh Castrol in it. Then we're going to get some oil in it, get the gear back in it, and that is, well, we changed the chip. We put Flamboro Speedway, you run a 6,400 RPM chip in the car. Delaware Speedway is a 6,000 RPM chip rule. 6,400 scares me a little, but I've been told to stop worrying. But engines are really expensive now, so I can't help it. So that's kind of the stuff that we got to get ready for Flamboro Speedway this weekend, other than setup stuff. But, and tires. We got to figure out tires, so. You almost got her there, Frank?
Well, you want it out?
Well, you might as well.
Okay.
If you're going to start the job, you might as well finish it, you know? If you're going to do it, just do it right. Can Frank get this off properly? Remember, when you pull it out, don't tip it. Go straight down, because we still run the underslung headers. I believe in you, Frank.
I spilt a little bit on the headers. And on myself a lot.
Well, as soon as you zoom in, I start glugging it. That's the worst. I had a nice steady pour until the pressure got to me.
Ryan, what are we up to?
Getting ready to go to Flamboro Speedway if it'll ever stop raining. Well, it's actually, I say that it stopped raining now, but tomorrow not looking so hot, but we will race Sunday if we have to. So doing some last minute adjustments. We were going to watch the races at Delaware tonight while we worked on the car, but they rained out too. So just getting her scaled, getting towing everything, double checking everything out around the car. So obviously it's day 2 here in the shop, or day 3, whatever it is. I'm not wearing the same clothes I was the other day. But yeah, just getting her scaled up and ready to go. Hopefully the weather clears up for tomorrow. My dad's good friend Dave.
Yeah, my dad's good friend Dave. This is my dad's friend Dave.
Alright, Rob, you remember how to do this? Around the tire for rad race. Just wrap it around them.
Hey, cousin Dave's here tonight. Say hi, Dave.
Hello.
So what are you doing, Ryan?
We are stringing the race car to make sure that the race car is square, straight, nothing's bent, and then we can set our toe and everything. So the reason we use the string and plumb bobs is because that ain't gonna lie to you. That is a 100% true way of doing it. So we'll run the string down the side of the car, we'll square the string up to the chassis, make sure that the tires and everything are where they need to be to the string, make sure everything's true and straight, and then we can make sure that the toe is where we want it and get everything set that way. So yeah, if you ever hear someone say there's string in a race car, this is what it looks like, or can look like. I'm not saying this is the only way to do it, but so now we should make sure that the car is good, because we want to go win. Hey Ryan, why do you have those funny holes in your side skirts? BAM! Rob, can you pull that front one in like a 1/16 of an inch?
Towards the car?
Yeah.
Do you need more?
Extra sorry line, go the other way.
Go the other way?
Yeah.
So am I going 2/16?
I don't know.
Say hi, Rob.
Okay, that's good there.
Hello.
Rob gets so weird on the camera. Hello, vlog people. That'll do it for another night here in the JRD Motorsports shop. Appreciate everybody clicking on this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. And please comment below what you think of what we got going on with our racing program now that we're back on the right track. We got some stuff figured out, and we've had a good couple of weeks. And hopefully we can make a run at this Qwick Series Championship. I think Delaware Speedway Championship's gotten away from us. The bad luck we had the first 4 or 5 weeks of the season. So even though we've got the ship righted, I think that one's kind of got away from us. So the goal is to hopefully get back into the top 5 in points and salvage the season. So comment below, let us know what you think, and I appreciate everybody watching. Hopefully we get to Flamboro Speedway, and hopefully we have a good night there.